Team RAPS, Solar Car 2024, by Paul, Asaya, Samuel, and Raphael. Hello, my name is Paul Sheffield, and our team is from Unity Charter School. Most of our group has been here for over 5 years, elementary school included, and noticed the older kids work on this project. It has really been amazing to watch them, and we couldn't wait to get to this time of year. Unity is a sustainable school. We recycle and reuse a lot of materials provided here at Unity. That's why we chose to make our car out of recycled materials. This project aligns perfectly with our school's mission of sustainability. Anyways, enough with that. Let's get to the main stuff. Solar energy is energy that comes directly from the sun. We use solar panels to trap and turn light radiation from the sun into energy. For our car, we will use a solar panel to power the motor, therefore moving the car forward. Solar energy is sustainable because it does not pollute the environment with chemicals and gas. It uses the sun rays to absorb energy and convert it into many different types, in this case, kinetic. Some problems we faced during this project were the gears not meshing together for the motor to run the right way. We also had trouble building our chassis. The size was one of the biggest problems. We had to change the size and make it perfect. Our solution to make it better was to measure the pieces and file the wood down to where the tires and axle would all fit. Our motor wasn't working very well, and the solar car wasn't moving fast enough. We figured out the battery was the part of the reason that it wasn't moving. Although our troubles, we had success working together as a team and solving around the problems. Our car turned out very well, and we hope to go to the competition as a team. Thank you very much for your time and consideration.